Sir, boss up with K, man. You know I'm back with another freight run. It's been a minute, and I'm in a cargo van. Got that thing cleaned up. Y'all seen me the other day. Just got back from a rental. A little dusty, but we're going to make it work today. You know we got a tire run. You see where we at? We at the NTB, the NTBZ. Your boy Credit K, boss up with K. We out here. Here's a cargo van I got purchased on my business credit. We're about to go in here, grab these tires up. Got a short run. I'm going to show you the mileage. Quick little easy run, quick easy pay. Let's get into it. It's empty. About to fill it up. Tires on deck. What's going on, bro?
Picking up tires?
Yeah. I know where to go now. What's up, boss?
1 second.
Pressure.
I took it off. So it's gonna take about 5 minutes to get those orders filled. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, it's fine.
Alright, let me see what order you got.
I got job 5510.
5510.
Defeated the whole purpose.
5 pieces.
You just gotta go get a car tent place and have them come in and do it. Have them look a little bit better.
Okay. Here's.
Going with about 5 miles. I'll be outside. Oh, sorry. Oh, y'all starting signing. Oh, we got signing now. Got new stuff. It's been a minute.
Hold that.
Okay.
I'll meet you out there in a second.
All right. So I got a little rush. I'm coming in. Yeah, it's busy around here today. Busy. Compared to NTB warehouse. Making content. Everybody pull up. We got a couple of pickup trucks. The F-150s. Most people pulling up in sedans, moving 1-2 tires. I'm moving about 6 today. Got the big boys right there. Look at them big boy tires. I need that contract. I need a permanent contract with NTB. They need to come on in, sponsor your boy. But I'm moving 5 tires. Tires cost about $784. Jesus. But we gonna get it. So this route is only 5 miles away, 5 tires. I think the weight is about $120. 120 pounds. But good thing they're not paying me $1 a mile. That wouldn't be shit. But they pulling the tires out. Here they go. Oh, dropping them out to me right there. Dropping them out to your boy. We finna get loaded up. Let's go. Oh, they tires up. Hold them up. Yes, sir. 5 tire. Bye-bye. I ain't strapping nothing down. Gonna have these things rolling around there. Well, it's all good. I do got my straps though. Yes, sir. Throw this on up and hit the road. Alright, so we got the pickup. Boom. Gonna drop this off real quick. Drop off. Gonna make this money in the van using Frayt, baby. Frayt runs. So, real quick, the guy actually, I'm gonna hold off for a minute. The guy told me that another pickup was canceled because they had like 4 large tires. And actually, a little car came up to pick them up. So they had to cancel the order and I was going to resubmit it. And I was going to see if I can pick it up and do both of them. So I'm going to wait another 5 minutes. And you see somebody else pulling on off. They pulling off, everybody pulling off. Pick up and pulling off real fast. Like somebody else in a Honda Pilot. Pick up some couple of tires, but yeah, man, this freight gig, I love this warehouse. Is like 5 minutes from my office space at ECO Suites. I just come up here, pick up stuff. Most of the drop-offs are in and around the city area. And they usually have, multiple drop-offs. You saw it was like 5 people here when I pulled up, and then 3 more came and gone since I've been sitting here. So, this warehouse is very busy. I've been trying to lock in a contract with them, but it's kind of hard to have too many one-offs and too many, too infrequently. Don't really have any routes. People just call in, tire shops call in when they need tires, and they, drop them off throughout the day. So it's real inconsistent. So it's kind of hard to, do a route to book a consistent load with them. But I'm still going to try and get real cool with the guys in the front office. Been a while since I've been up here. Actually, first time, 2023 since I've been up here. But everybody still remember my face. People recognize me from the YouTube videos. So I appreciate the love. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. You don't want to miss these videos when I drop on this Frayt run. Frayty. Let's go. Yes, sir. Your boy, boss up. I'm a boss. I'm in my cargo van. I bought with my business credit through Forward. No PG down. There go my cargo. I got a couple of tires dropping off to this little tire spot. 5 miles, $35. Let's go with Frayt app. Frayt, Frayt. Yeah. Frayt app. But yeah, we getting it. You can use your car, SUV, pickup truck, or the big boy van and make more money with this. All right. So this is the Frayt app. I'm gonna show you, details in the app, and download it, try it out. Let's go. Hit the follow button for more, and follow me on YouTube. I got long form videos about all courier, medical courier routes, everything. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. Time to get them out of here. All right, that's it. Got the order dropped off. Van empty. Boom. We done. Look at the 5 tires. I need you to sign something for me. I need you to scribble your name on here for me. First initial, last name. Thank you, sir.
Okay, man.
All right, boss. It's done. Chill like that. We done, baby. Off to the next one. Off to the next one, Frayt route. Let's go to the money.